Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, lining up the dominoes. Each stage of life brings its own challenges. Sometimes it can feel like there's more to handle than we've bargained for. I've heard it from younger folks just starting out. Once they become aware of the state of their finances, it can be empowering and overwhelming. It might feel impossible to accomplish everything that stretches out ahead of them. Big purchases like houses or degrees, big goals like travel or retirement, and all that unexpected stuff in between. It can feel like there's no way to get it all done. Things are not as they seem, however. No one can do it all at once. That's the key. Nobody can do it all at once. It might be helpful to think about financial goals like a line of dominoes. Only one domino needs to fall at first, but the momentum will build. Starting the chain reaction takes the most energy. The rest will build on itself. Think about the prelude to most people's spending and investing goals, the emergency fund. Once you've got this resource in place, you move on to the next goal. But you're not starting over from scratch for the next goal. On the contrary, the energy is already out there in the world working for you. You're already on your way with more freedom and flexibility than ever before. Meaningful goals compound. They become a resource in themselves. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.